AssureTech presents Emotional John. John is emotional because of all the problems he's having with his mobile technology. He's upset as he learns the hard way that every 2 seconds in America, a mobile device is lost or stolen. Frustrated because a mobile device is infected with a virus every 1 second in America. John is aggravated because it costs more to repair his device than what he originally paid for it. He's tearful because he's going to be without his device for 5 days as he ships it off. He's angry because his insurance deductible is $200. In comes Mary, and Mary presents John with a solution to his problems, AssureTech. AssureTech can solve all of his problems with his mobile devices.
John, there's no need for you to be emotional. AssureTech provides loss and theft protection. In addition, you can also locate your device anywhere, activate an alarm even when the ringer is off, remotely lock and wipe all the data from your device. You also have the ability to take a picture of whomever is using your device. John, AssureTech also provides a free copy of Norton Internet Security or Norton Mobile to protect you from any virus infections, and if your device is ever infected by a virus, AssureTech can have it removed. John, you don't have to ship your device away in a box. Simply walk your device into an authorized repair center, and in 4 hours or less, you're done. You don't have to worry about your deductible because AssureTech has the lowest deductibles, $50 for repair and $100 for replacement. And the best part is, AssureTech has a flat rate of only $7.99 a month and a 25% multi-device discount. John, you have no reason to be emotional. AssureTech has the solution to all your mobile protection dilemmas. AssureTech has the best rates, the lowest deductibles, and the fastest repair times.
Created using Powtoon.